How hackers hack Wi-Fi with help of WPS pin attack. WPS stand for Wi-Fi Protected Setup, vulnerable to brute force attack. How? Let's see. Wi-Fi Protected Setup, WPS, provides simplified mechanisms to configure secure wireless networks. The external registrar pin exchange mechanism is susceptible to brute force attacks that could allow an attacker to gain access to an encrypted Wi-Fi network. WPS uses a PIN as a shared secret to authenticate an access point and a client and provide connection information such as WEP and WPA passwords and keys. In the external registrar exchange method, a client needs to provide the correct PIN to the access point. Usually, an 8-digit PIN was printed on the outside of the router, and then the device would be authenticated with this PIN. The device would then generate a complex PSK that would be virtually dictionary attack proof. An attacking client can try to guess the correct PIN. A design vulnerability reduces the effective PIN space sufficiently to allow practical brute force attacks. Freely available attack tools can recover a WPS PIN in 4 to 10 hours. Wi-Fi has been rife with vulnerabilities and insecurities over the years, and nearly everyone wants to take advantage of this. When Wi-Fi was first developed in the late 90s, the original encryption or security standard, Wired Equivalent Privacy or WEP, was easily cracked in minutes by statistical methods. When it was improved with WPA, Wi-Fi hacking became more difficult, but still very doable. With the arrival of WPA2 PSK, we are reliant upon capturing the hash, easy, and then brute forcing the password, time-consuming. How attacker performed this attack? First, they scanning a network for finding a vulnerability. Then he performed brute force attack with the help of tool named Reaver and Kali Linux. Don't worry, we will perform this attack in ethical hacking section.